Starting an LLC sounds overwhelming, but in this video, we're going to show you how to set up an LLC step by step using LegalZoom, which is one of the most popular LLC formation services out there. If you're thinking about starting a business, freelancing, consulting, or even selling products online, forming an LLC can help protect your personal assets and keep things legally clean. And the good news is you don't need to be a legal expert to get it done. So we're going to show you how to get your LLC started with LegalZoom. But before that, let's quickly address some of the questions around LLCs that I often get. Now, we have other videos on the channel specifically about this question that we'll be sure to have linked down below in the description. But basically, if you're making money from your business and you want to protect your personal assets, then yes, you should have an LLC. An LLC separates you legally from your business, which means if something goes wrong, your personal home, car, and savings are not at risk. It also makes your business look more legitimate. Clients and customers are going to take you more seriously with an LLC behind your business. And if you're looking to scale, it sets the foundation to grow your brand, get business credit, or even hire employees later on. Okay, now that we've covered that, go ahead and click on that link down below in the description to get the best pricing for LegalZoom right now. So go ahead and click on Start My Business. And then the first one is LLC. We can go ahead and click here. So let's go ahead and enter the name of our business. So we'll call it Deals. We can go ahead and click Next. Go ahead and choose the state that you're going to be located in. Next, it'll bring us to the plans. So let's go ahead and go over some of the different plans that they offer. They offer 3 plans: the basic, the pro, and the premium. The basic is $0. They do this for free for you. And the only thing that you have to pay is your state filing fees. Now, this varies from state to state. They can be as cheap as like $50 and they can go as high as a couple $100s. So this is just going to include the articles of organization. This is the document needed to register your LLC with your state. It's also going to perform a name check service to make sure that your preferred business name is available in your state. And then they also have a 1-800 accountant to discuss tax saving services. In the Pro plan, which is the one they recommend, it's a $249 fee plus your state filing fees. And this is going to include everything from the basic package, plus an operating agreement, an EIN, which is really helpful because that's the number that you need to apply for everything like a business bank account, a business credit card, and other things down the line. Bookkeeping tools to track expenses, access to 150 customizable legal documents. And this is one of the main benefits of going with LegalZoom as opposed to another formation service, is they offer a more tailored experience to the legal aspect of running your business. This also has unlimited signatures to send and sign agreements included for 1 year. And then they also have a customizable website powered by Wix. So let's go ahead and look at the premium plan. It's only another $50 from the pro plan, and it's $299 plus your state filing fees. This is going to include everything from the pro package, plus hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney, unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations about new legal topics related to your business, and then any changes that need to be done on the formation documents within the first 30 days are going to be included as well. For the sake of this video, let's just go ahead and go with the pro plan to show you some of the benefits and how to pay for it. So let's go ahead and click Form My LLC, and then we'll go ahead and enter the primary contact information here. And once we've done that, let's go ahead and click Next. Go ahead and choose what your business does, and then they're going to tell you about LLC compliance here. You can either select a plan for compliance or you can just say no thanks. So here's another important part, which is business licenses and permits. If you're a first-time entrepreneur, we definitely recommend that you get help with this. It's an additional add-on, but it's really worth it to make sure that you have all the business permits and licenses to operate in your city, county, and state. We'll say no thanks for now, but go ahead and add them if you need them. Now, it also offers for legal protection under the Assist plan. You can do their trial here, or you can just say no thanks. They also offer some business bank accounts. You can go ahead and choose that, or we'll also leave our favorite business bank accounts linked down below in the description. We'll go ahead and say no thanks for now. You can choose how fast you want your LLC formed. So 1 day is an extra $99, or you can do 5 to 14 days for standard processing. They also include a founder's kit here, which is just going to help you keep all of your vital information in one place. We'll go ahead and leave that one off for now. All right, so as you can see, we chose the pro package. So it's $249 plus the California filing fees, which are going to vary from state to state, but in California, they are $70. So that's a one-time payment of $319. We can go ahead and continue to checkout here. You can also pay it in monthly installments if you like. We'll go ahead and enter our payment information here. And then just go ahead and enter your card information here. And when you're all set to go, all you have to do is press agree and pay. Now let's talk about what happens after you pick your plan and you've submitted your payment. LegalZoom is going to file your LLC paperwork with the state. Every state is different, and depending on which processing time you paid for, this could take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. During that time, you'll get some updates from LegalZoom, and once your LLC is confirmed, they will send you your completed documents. And at this point, you're officially in business. But there are a few steps you should take after forming your LLC. First, like we talked about a little bit earlier, is open your business bank account. Now you're going to need that EIN number to open your business bank account. If you didn't go with the pro plan and you just picked the basic plan, you can go ahead and get this EIN number off the IRS website. So be sure that you do that because you're going to need that to get a business bank account, a business credit card, and to hire employees. And like we said earlier, our favorite business bank accounts are linked down below in the description. But this is very important. You need to keep your business assets separate from your personal assets. This protects your liability and saves you a bunch of time when it comes to filing your taxes. Okay, second, you need to apply for any businesses and license that you're going to need in your town, city, county, and state. And as you saw earlier, LegalZoom can help you do this for $99 if you like. Just make sure that you have all the necessary licenses and permits for your specific business type. Third is getting the EIN number for your business if it wasn't included in the LegalZoom plan that you chose. And again, that's on the IRS website. Okay, lastly, do not forget about ongoing compliance. Some states require an annual report and potentially an annual fee to keep you in good standing. LegalZoom also has that service that they offer to help you stay in good standing to make sure that you don't miss any deadlines. To wrap this up, LegalZoom is one of the best platforms that you can use when creating your LLC, especially if you think that you need more of the legal assistance for your business and you don't want to pay crazy lawyer fees. And as you can see, you can have your LLC set up in like 5 minutes. So guys, if you found this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this in the future, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. If you're ready to form your LLC, we'll leave that link to LegalZoom down below in the description. Just note that it is an affiliate link, so we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you, so thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. And lastly, guys, this channel is dedicated to new and existing business owners to share everything related with LLCs. We review the best tools and platforms to help you organize, manage, set up, and optimize your LLC. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best, and we will see you back again in the next video.